Okay, let's apply this thinking about equations to a particular story. So here we have Nerida, she's got W watches and R rings, okay? So in this case, we've been given the pronumerals, okay? So the pronumerals here are W and R. And what we notice is that they're in lowercase, okay? So with these pronumerals, we always put them in lowercase. We want to write an expression for Nerida, okay? So we want to show that she has W watches and, so plus, R rings, okay? So W plus R, her watches plus her rings, give her her total, okay? Now, it's an expression, so there's no equal sign. Okay, now, if Nerida has 8 rings and watches altogether, okay, we can now write an equation for that. So we can write the W plus the R is now equal to 8, okay? Now, Donna has 2 times as many watches and 2 fewer rings. So we want to write an expression for Donna's watches. So, okay, so she's got 2 times as many as Nerida's watches, so 2W. So 2 times W, okay? And for the rings, it's going to be R, but it's 2 fewer, so it's going to be take away 2. So there's our 2 expressions. Now, we can now apply this to an equation by saying, well, if Donna's got 14 altogether, then it's going to be 2W plus R minus 2. So that we're adding those 2 expressions together, and that all totals to 14. Okay, so one section of this leads on to the next. And then finally, if Nerida loses 2 rings, you've got to write a new expression, okay? So if Nerida loses her 2 rings, so we go up here and we go Nerida loses her rings, so that'll be R, okay? So then that will become R minus 2, okay?